Namaste, I am Jeevin Diksha Saxena, Assistant Professor of Journalism Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In the last video, we have learned forward spin and so many topics of reporting and editing. Today, we will learn qualities of a reporter. So let's begin this. First of all, we have to know what is the role of journalist. So let's start. The main duty of journalist is to act as an interpreter of the world around. The journalist observe the events, transmit facts about the events, and act as an interpreter of these events and happening. A journalist should therefore stick to for the ideals. He should imbibe a never-ending search for the truth. He should be able to meet needs of the changing times. Instead of waiting to be overtaken by them, he should be able to perform services of some consequence and significance to mankind. He should maintain a state-faced independence. A journalist is an important unit of democratic system in our country. He is supposed to gather facts, organize them, and them to the masses. He also explain the significance of the facts and offer opinions of contemporary issue. He is accepted to comment on matters of public interest in the fair, accurate, unbiased, sober, decent, and responsible manner. A journalist must be cool, detached, even as he approaches his material. The right attitude is an important trait the successful journalist. He should have a high degree of skill in organizing meeting and in using of languages. He should not be lacking in confidence, but should not be overconfident or over enthusiastic. He should avoid distortion in the news story an effort to attain striking effects. Attribution or name of the sources is another thing which should not be overlooked. The best attribution is the name of the precise sources. The next best is the name of the organization, office, or group represented by the sources as a spokesperson. The least satisfactory but sometimes the most necessary is some variation of first informed sources in the organ of the news must be held of confidence. Write like you talk. Gaining much currency in modern journalism. The stiff, formidable, and of the 30s is no longer considered a good form. Instead, easy following, lively in language is becoming popular. A great deal of importance is also attached to be factor in journalist. Every journalist has no religious observe the newspaper edition deadlines. Quality of a reporter, let's be this topic. This is no prescribed qualification of a reporter, but not everyone can be a good journalist. A good journalist is sometimes born, but more often he is fashioned out of the hard story of rigorous test and training. A good reporter makes regular contact with his or her sources. She goes to the well when she is thirsty, but she also goes to the well when she is not thirsty. There is no substitute for actually being there for personal contact. See your sources, speak to them when you need something from them, but more importantly, when you don't need anything. One of the most important qualities that a reporter must have is an ace around strangers. Always be alert to the common ground that you share with the people you deal with. Mention these topics in your conversation with them. Familiarity doesn't breed contempt. It lowers barriers. It lowers barriers. A reporter has to answer the question what's up with more than not much but sources on the receiving end of this information. A reporter is an information broker. Share information when you can. There has to be a certain distance between a reporter these sources, not a wall, a fence, but air space. You serve the reader, not the sources. After months on a beat working with the same sources, you will begin to think like them and talk like them. You will sympathetic to their point of view. Be wary of this and of their efforts to use you. It is likely to lightweight that they will try to pursue. They will try to use you or merit of their views to sell you on their programs. You will have little contact with your readers, but it is them to represent you. Will not be language of your readers. Scientists, educators, and lawyers have their own jargon. Learn this jargon, but translate it to standard English of your readers. If you have obtained information from our sources on the understanding that if it is of the record, then it is remembers a sources is a source of life. You may change beats, newspapers, even cities, yet your reputation will follow you. The only way to be successful reporter over the long haul is to operate honestly. If you don't will be without that most valuable of the commodities, good sources. I will repeat this para. I will repeat this sentence. Your reputation will follow you. The only way to be successful reporter over the long whole is to operate honestly. Honest. You have to be honest with your work. If you don't, you will be without that most valuable of all commodities, good sources. Make one more call. Ask your sources, who else can help me? Who holds an opposite view? Work down the organization chart. If possible, talk to the policeman who made the arrest, not the supervisor, but the teacher rather than the principal. Be polite and be patient with your sources. Instead, on a responsive answer to your question, follow slow developing stories by checking with your sources. If the events on or issue is still on their agenda, it probably should be on yours as well. The best reporter we know would be right. Our best, sorry, I will repeat this line. The best reporters we know are bright, honest, presentable, curious, courageous. ठीक है? A good reporter is a journalist able to deal with the number of topics and talk with the variety of people. He or she can use and can see the unusual topics. The ironic in the everyday, she can think through all the possibilities and organize a large amount of information to find the importance part. A good reporter is quick when he is assigned for a story, he goes after it. He makes the calls and keeps trying to doesn't make contract and connect. He remembers the sign of the ones. A good reporter is curious. He or she takes pleasure in the new. But and in the old, in the history of or precedent that got us where we are. He enjoys reading then and appreciate the details. A good reporter is pleasant. She adopts a friendly nature with those she meets. She's a grateful guest with the belief in the basis goodness of the people. She conveys to those she meets that she is tolerant of them, of their ideas, even though she does not like them or what they stand for. She behaves like a good listener. She is a good listener. A good reporter is honest. He seeks the truth and acts independently. ठीक है, it is okay. He seeks the truth and acts independently. He does what he says he is going to do, doesn't to do something he promised to avoid. He returns his call. He's willing to say no. He's obsessed with the accuracy and double checks, not cheeks, sorry, double checks his facts, the callbacks. He sees both sides to every issue. He doesn't treat people as a means to the end. The good reporter is courageous. She approaches strangers. She takes pleasure in being good, in being first. She developed a skin to deflect the criticism. She willing to make a mistake and willing to write something that may hurt someone. She has a capacity to for tempered outrage. Good reporters should have following elements in the stories, like accuracy. Every statement's quotation, name, date, age, address must be variable. In the addition, accuracy of general impression is also important. This involves the way the details are put together to the emphasize given those details. A reporter must have judged what is important or unimportant, what will be played up, played down. The overall critics must have an accurate of an event of situations, and poor selection of details of imperial emphasis of details can distort the truth. In general, accuracy is difficult because reporters are dealing with many facts. They must gather information right quickly, and many people are involved, from sources to reporter to editor. To ensure accuracy, check and double check every details and question sources carefully. You can't always rely on the sources give complete accurate information any more than you can rely on them to just tell everything needed for an article. Indeed, some sources may internationally misinform. So reporters often need to check with more than one sources. So this is the topic when you will have to understand how to reporter behave, like how anchor we should talk to someone and carefully discussion. So these are the importance good reporter topics, and we'll continue this topic and what importance of other things of reporters, what should they have to remember topics. They should know how to behave, like how to behave with other, and some topics they have to behave like they don't know. So you'll have to understand what is going through of the news, how to collect the news, how to write a news, and how to use your sources. And you have to behave like you are willing to that topic for news, for your news, and develop your news with your sources. You have to use your sources very carefully, and you have to portray your question is very carefully. You have to know about all the question. You will have to know all the information related to that topic you will discuss. So in the next video we'll understand balance and objectivity. So let's this video end. Thank you.